Hopefully the camera's picking it up. Kind of looks like it is. Yep, it's snowing. And it's supposed to be spring. That's upstate New York for you, though. Lean-to is still standing after it settled. Not that crooked either. Stayed kind of straight. I mean, it's crooked, but not as bad as I thought it was going to turn out. I thought it was going to be way worse than that. That's why I don't like using the twine. It don't last very long.
No, I think I'm going to re-up on the twine real quick. I have it with me.
Or you're going to
just anywhere. I'm going to pull it up a little bit.
Find the fork. Really hard. Hopefully my baton don't bust out. This is pine, so it's probably gonna bust. My baton's probably gonna bust right out. Nice. It's probably not even in the camera. Is the whole thing in there?
Yeah, I just got to the top of the knife. Uh-oh.
Yep. Knew that was coming.
That crack.
Knew that was coming. Can't even hold on to it. This one got knot and lumps. Let's go right for the lump. I don't even have enough blade.
Holy shit. That's exactly what I just back. I seen something coming. I felt it. I was like, walk away. So I'm sure the flying.
Nice. Sweet. You look at the edge. Still straight. Still sharp. Oh yeah, Mr. Wallace.
Got some fluffernutter.
Got some fluffernutter?
I got fire shit.
Did you do some fatty? Some fatty wood? Cause that'll get it really roaring.
Business shit there.
Business. It's business. Gotta love the winter. Even now it's, according to the calendar, it's spring. Yeah, spring my yays. Yeah, that was quick. You almost make a snowball.
Yeah.
Fat wood, baby. Bacon. Bacon. Fat wood, baby. It's like a damn sub.
Favorite, block the wind just for a minute because I gotta get to my bag.
Half of it's going. Like that tree had today, huh? Tree falling. Sounds like some heavy shite. It's time to go to bed. Oh, brightness. Oh wait, hold on guys, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Get my big ass in here. Oh. Trapped. Come on. Maybe not. Son of a... Hold on. Got my sleeping bag, got my fake ass wool blanket. Layer it up in here. Somewhat. It's apparently supposed to be 21. Last time I knew, I don't get no signal, so I have no idea. That light's messing the camera up like crazy. Use my coat for my pillow. Making all that racket over there. Man, I look fat as hell. What do you mean you look fat? You are fat. Snow. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell no. myself situated. Myself situated here. Ain't no fun being fat. I burrito myself up in here somehow. Like a burrito. God dang. Alright, guys. Take my ass to bed. Not sure if you guys can see this, but my tent's caved in. Snowed a hell of a lot more than I guess it was supposed to. According to my buddy, my tent's basically flat. It was a dome. Ain't no more. Is it what?
The pyramid / trapezoid.
The trapezoid.
What time is it?
Huh? Getting old.
Take your phone on.
Huh? This is crazy. This pole is supposed to be up that way. And this pole is supposed to be up that way. Good morning. That's my breath. This is the cigarette. Big difference. It's a tad bit chilly. It's supposed to be spring, man. It's supposed to be spring. Oh, oh. Apparently, my buddy told me it's like 4 or 5 inches. It's only supposed to be an inch. Spring camping my ace. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we came up here with no snow on the ground. Started snowing. And yeah, it's definitely a good 5 inches. My man got a fire going. This was a muddy pit yesterday. Oh, it feels so nice. So beautiful though when you get a first snow, man. Oh man, got a fire started. Oh man. So pretty when it first snows though.
Yeah, I think you gotta walk around in it.
Oh yeah. That's what I love about pine. It's everywhere and it's quick, easy.
Yep.
It causes sparks like a mofo, but if you can get beyond that.
Heat.
Any day of the week. Almost coffee time. Coffee time. Man, in certain spots, it's definitely 6.
Some good shit right there. It's the same thing as your cup too. It's the same material.
Well, yeah, because it's the same company. I got the same set at home. I just don't ever use it. I only use it when I bring the kids and the fam. So we can cook like a big old thing of rice, you know? We usually will pack up the skillets. Because, well, we're car camping, basically. Wipe it on your jeans. Yeah, so it started to snow a little bit harder, everybody. And then there was fire. Yep, coming down harder. It's not really going to show up on the camera. Not as it looks right to us, but holy shit, bro.
The visibility's 50 feet.
Yeah, I would say that. Probably about 100 yards.
After that inch is white. Here we are.
Got my stripes. Check it out. We got a dinky ass fire, but that's okay. It's enough to cook. A little bit of heat. Yeah. Steaks for breakfast. Put his ass to work. Just kidding. Oh yeah. And the wind makes it snow again. Oh bloody hell! Yeah, I got that shit on tape. It's not snowing, folks. That's all wind blowing off trees. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. We had blue sky for a minute, but that's gone. You guys can see over there. See how you can barely see?
Got something dark to contrast it with.
When I get home and I watch it, I'll see if it really picks up. It's kind of hard to see. Still waiting on the steaks. These pine coals suck for cooking on 'em. Been waiting like 15 minutes for water to get hot.
It's only been like 12.
Smoke in the eye, smoke in the eye. Oh yeah, we'll eat eventually.